Stop translating. 4 steps to start thinking in English today. If you speak English, but you still translate every word in your head before you speak it, stop. That one habit is the biggest reason you're not fluent yet. It slows you down, makes you nervous, and exhausts your brain. And the worst part? You don't need a fancy course or an expensive tutor to fix this. You just need 4 small, fun changes to your daily routine. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you these 4 powerful steps that will switch your brain from translator mode to English thinking mode. Let's begin. The problem. The translation trap. Before we fix the problem, let's understand the trap. When you learn English in school, they teach you like this. How do you say ciao in English? You say hello. This creates a toxic habit. Every time you want to say something, your brain takes a long 3-step journey. Native thought right pointing arrow translation right pointing arrow English sentence. That journey is slow. And when you feel nervous, your brain panics, you freeze, you mix up tenses, you feel stuck. Fluency means removing the middle step completely. Your goal is English thought right pointing arrow English sentence. So how do you force your brain to think in English? Here are the 4 steps that will change everything. Step 1. The visual kitchen naming game. This step teaches you to link English words directly to the real world, not to your native language. This is how babies learn. Go to your kitchen. Why the kitchen? Because it's full of everyday objects, and no one will judge you while you practice. Your task is simple. Label everything, but only the words you always forget. Use sticky notes and write the English names. Fork, mug, kettle, counter, drawer, window, sink. Now here's the secret. Every time you see a note, say the word out loud. But you are not allowed to say the native language word. Look at the mug and say, "This is a mug. I drink from this mug." Close your eyes and imagine it. Mug. Interact with the objects. I'm opening the fridge. It's cold inside. I'm cleaning the stove. The stove is dirty. You're not just memorizing vocabulary. You're building an English environment inside your home. Pro tip. When a word becomes easy, remove the sticky note. This teaches your brain. This word is now natural. Do this for 7 days. By the end, your brain will see the mug and immediately think, mug, not a translation. Step 2. The inner narrator, silent thinking practice. Your internal voice is powerful. Right now, that voice is speaking your native language and forcing you to translate. We need to replace it with an English narrator. For 15 minutes every morning, right after you wake up, talk to yourself in your head using simple English. Example. I am awake now. I feel tired. I need to brush my teeth. The water is cold. I will wear the blue shirt today. If you don't know a word, do not use a translator yet. Use a simple placeholder. I need the flat round thing for my tea. Later you learn the word coaster. If you catch yourself translating, stop immediately and switch back to simple English. Why does this work? Because you're training your brain to process feelings, plans, and thoughts directly in English, with zero pressure. This is the foundation of real fluency. Step 3. The recipe rule, English through action and emotion. This step links English to movement and emotion, the fastest way to make English automatic. Pick one simple daily routine where you follow instructions only in English. Cooking. A workout. Assembling something. Making tea. Find a short English recipe online. For example, Step 1. Take 2 slices of bread. Step 2. Spread peanut butter. Step 3. Add sliced bananas. Now perform the actions while repeating them out loud. I am taking 2 slices of bread. I'm spreading the peanut butter. I'm adding bananas. When you do this, your brain connects the English word spread directly to the movement, not to a translation. Pro tip. If you feel emotions while doing it, like frustration when something breaks, name the emotion. I am frustrated. The cheese broke. This builds fast, reactive English, the type you use naturally. Step 4. The English music shower, passive audio immersion. This final step trains your ears without pressure. Play English audio in the background during simple tasks. Cleaning, showering, exercising, cooking, walking. Choose a podcast, stories, simple news, or clear English songs. You don't need to understand every word. Your brain will automatically learn the rhythm, tone, and pattern of English speech. Over time, your own speaking becomes smoother and more natural, without effort. Common problems and how to fix them. 1. You get stuck on a word. Use placeholders. Thingy, stuff, the tall one, that box. Look up the real word later. 2. You keep translating. Your English is too complicated. Go back to simple sentences. I am here. I like this. This is good. 3. You want to quit. You'll feel silly at first. That's normal. But fluency requires at least 30 days of consistency. Final fluency homework, your 30-day roadmap. 1. Visual association. Label your kitchen and talk to the objects. 2. Inner narrator. Spend 15 minutes each morning thinking only in simple English. 3. Action rule. Follow one English recipe or instruction video every day and speak the steps out loud. 4. Music shower. Listen to English audio for 30 minutes during low-focus tasks. Fluency isn't magic, it's a habit. If you follow these 4 steps for 1 month, you will be shocked at how quickly you start thinking in English. Your brain is ready. You just need to follow the roadmap. So go to your kitchen right now and place your first sticky note. Start your English inner voice tomorrow morning. If this guide helped you understand how to break the translation habit, make sure to subscribe. More simple language hacks are coming soon. Now go. Start thinking in English. Thank you for listening to Qasim's English Tales. If you like this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep practicing English. See you in the next story. Goodbye.